Minasan, konnichiwa. Today we are going to learn about kanji. JLPT N5 kanji lesson 4. So today we are going to learn about this 11 kanji. So let's see one by one. First one. This kanji meaning is to eat. Onyomi is shoku, jiki. Kunyomi is ta, ku. Meaning is to eat. So let's see how to write this kanji. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Totally 9 stroke orders. This kanji meaning is to eat. You can imagine like people is sitting under the roof and eating. So let's see some example words with this kanji. Taberu, taberu, to eat. Tabemono, tabemono, food. Shokudo, shokudo, cafeteria. Shokuji, shokuji, meal. Chūshoku, chūshoku, lunch. Chōshoku, chōshoku, breakfast. Kū, kū, to eat. Danjiki, danjiki, fasting. So next kanji is to drink. Onyomi is in. Kunyomi is no. Meaning is to drink. So let's see how to write this kanji. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So totally 12 stroke orders. This kanji meaning is to drink. Let's see some words with this kanji. Nomu, nomu, to drink. Nomimono, nomimono, drink. Nomiya, nomiya, bar, pub. Nomikuzuri, nomikuzuri, oral medicine. Inshokuten, inshokuten, restaurant. Inshuunten, inshuunten, drunk driving. Inryosui, inryosui, drinking water. Next kanji meaning is to meet. Onyomi is kai. Kunyomi is a. Meaning is meet. Let's see how to write this kanji. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 stroke orders. This kanji meaning is meet. Meeting. Let's see some example words. Avu, to meet. Kaiwa, conversation. Kaiwa, conversation. Kaisha, kaisha, company. Kaisha in, office worker. Kaigi, kaigi, conference meeting. Kaijo, kaijo, meeting place. Kokkai, kokkai, the diet. Yeshoku, ஏஷக்கு ஏஷக்கு bow. Next kanji is ear. Onyumi is G. Kunyumi is Mimi. Meaning is ear. Let's see how to write this kanji. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Totally 6 stroke orders. This kanji meaning is ear. Mimi, ear. Hatsumimi, Hatsumimi, something heard of for the first time. Mimikaki, Mimikaki, ear pig. Miminari, Miminari, ringing in the ears. Next one is to listen. Onyomi is bun, mon. Kunyomi is ki. Reading is, meaning is to listen. First write the gate kanji, then in between write ear kanji. That is listen. First write the gate kanji, then put ear kanji in between the gate. That is listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. This is to listen. Kiku, kiku, to listen. Kikoeru, kikoeru, can be heard. Shinbun, shinbun, newspaper. Kikitoru, kikitoru, to catch, to understand. Zendai mimon, zendai mimon, the unheard of. Next kanji is to say. Onyomi is gon, gen. Kunyomi is I, koto. Meaning is to say. So let's see how to write this kanji. This is really very simple. 1, 2, 3, 4. And put mouth kanji down and it is look like frequency. This kanji meaning is to say. Iwu, iwu, to say. Kotoba, kotoba, word, language. Hitokoto, hitokoto, single word. Then gone, message. Hogen, hogen, dialect. Yogen, yogen, prophecy. Gengo gaku, gengo gaku, linguistics. Iwake, iwake, excuse. Next one is to speak. Onyomi is wa. Kunyomi is hana, hanashi. Meaning is to speak. Let's see how to write this kanji. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So totally 12 stroke orders. This kanji meaning is to speak. This left side one is Iwu kanji. And you can imagine like thousands of people speak daily. This is sen kanji, 1000 kanji, and this is mouth, and this is to say, ivu. Hanasu, hanasu, to speak. Hanashi, hanashi, talk, story. Kaiwa, kaiwa, conversation. Denwa, denwa, telephone. Seva, seva, care. Vadai, vadai, topic of conversation. Hanashiyavu, hanashiyavu, to discuss. Shuwa, shuwa, sign language. Next kanji is tatsu, to stand. Onyomi is ritsu, rit, small itsu. Ryu, ta, da. Onyomi is ritsu, rit, ryu. Kunyomi is ta, da. Meaning is to stand. You can imagine like one person is standing. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Totally 5 stroke orders. This kanji meaning is to stand. Tatsu, tatsu, to stand. Yaku ni tatsu, yaku ni tatsu, to be useful. Meidatsu, meidatsu, to stand out. Kokuritsu Daigaku, Kokuritsu Daigaku, National University. Rippa, rippa, splendid. Konryu, konryu, buildings, temples, etc. Next kanji is to wait. Onyomi is tai, kunyomi is ma. Meaning is to wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally 9 stroke orders. This kanji meaning is to wait. Matsu, matsu, to wait. Shotai suru, shotai suru, to invite. Machiai shitsu, machiai shitsu, waiting room. Machi awaseru, machi awaseru, to arrange, to meet. Kitai suru, kitai suru, to hope for. Taibo, taibo, long awaited. Next kanji is to go around. Onyomi is shu, kunyomi is mawa. Meaning is to go around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This top one is earth kanji and down one is mouth kanji. This overall kanji is to go around. Mawari, mawari, surrounding. Shuhen, shuhen, surrounding. Shuki, shuki, cycle. Sekai issue, sekai issue, around the world. Issunen, issunen, 1 year university. Issunen, 1 year anniversary. Next one is weak kanji. Onyomi is shoe. Meaning is weak. For this, write around kanji, Mawari kanji. Then put watermark like this. This is shoe, weak. Konshu, konshu, this week. Raishu, raishu, next week. Senshu, senshu, last week. Maishu, maishu, every week. Ishukan, ishukan, 1 week. Shumatsu, shumatsu, weekend. Shukan, shukan, weekly publication. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Please give your support.